Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. This one are for the side chick. Because I don't see many video where people don't do concerning this girl we snatch where they date another person husband. Everybody just the quarrel, the woman, this that she for not do this kind thing, she for not do this kind thing for public, she not the shame, she be this, she be that, she not fine, she not know her mate karate. My people, I beg more than take am busy. They say she not fine. See the side cheek, see the hair when he carry long hair, carry this, he carry that. When they forget, say all those men, they lie die. Men, forget that thing, no. Men, I be the number one lie within this world. They too they lie. Now they forget. Some men who are not saying that everybody, you are not gonna shock mirror. Some men, they lie die. Una know what they tell that girl. Okay, another one again. Una they say they buy things for the girl. See the girl hair. He carry long hair, way long, rushy, bumble, this, that. Una they forget, say, all those men, they prefer to even spend for all those girls for outside than their wife when they put for us. Maybe una go even surprise now, see, his wife not be the breadwinner for house. He now go they carry money, go they spend for another girl for outside. Now know some men they like that. Some men even they surprise that your wife even get the money, but him go they carry that money, go they spend for girl for outside. Now they forget all those men. Some men, their own day their body. If full yakpata. Some men. I just dey surprised when I see the woman they fight the girl, because before that woman will come go that extent, say for supermarket, they come they fight that girl. You're surprised say the thing don't reach her here because you're not going to surprise say he husband not the sleepers. Maybe he don't take we don't they want find this girl. Now you can't see opportunity to see the girl. Maybe because of the girl, that your husband not the stairs, your husband not they give her money. Now see the woman. Surprise. Say now this girl they spend all the money for. So if una see that kind of girl, una what they talk now, where they run on a mouth for social media, because when I say matter talk, they say, why you go fight her? Before this woman will come fight this girl, una know whether he husband what they do for us. Una know why they treat this woman for us. Because you go they look and say that this girl cause him. You go say that this girl cause him when the husband not the man. Yeah. You go say that this girl. I make you see the girl say no, today not today. Me with you today. And I make you hold the girl. If not behold, they come they hold the woman, maybe for really beat that girl. If you really beat her, you this small girl, you don't go find small boy when you follow. What you want to say for sugar daddy body want to follow? You don't go find small boy make you dey follow as you find a small girl like you. Una go dey look for big money, fast money. You know go work. Una go dey look for people husband one carry. You know go work. We be saying people husband at the enter una hair. Me not just understand the way all those girls of now. This if you just go Nigeria, they don't want to follow small boy. They say small boy, not they give them money. Now sugar daddy's them. Now what una go they see the public disgrace as they put your push up for everywhere and you like this girl. This public disgrace, now go they see. Everybody they blame. They will not blame the woman. Me, I not blame the woman because anyway, if you see person where they disturb your husband, all because all those girls they are own do too much really. Wanna go find on now. You see marry tomorrow now. Now so they carry your husband. How you go feel? How you go feel? You don't go there happy now. Really? You don't go there happy say you carry another person your husband. Because all those girls now, even though now know say the person don't marry, now there una I go there. Una go pass una own boyfriend. Some go even leave their boyfriend up because of a man. Or because of sugar daddy. You get one man wey go Nigeria that time, he don't tell this one, I don't tell when it happen. He say he go Nigeria. he can stop one girl for road. As he say me you carry the girl for lift, when you see the girl that this body they find out. You know, the girl boyfriend people they call the girl they cut the call. Then the guy tell her, say, I carry your car now. He say, I beg, you know what, just carry. Then the boy tell her, the man called her and say, now your boyfriend. He say, I beg you. You know, because you don't see big man now. You don't see car. Maybe boyfriend and leg, you say they work. And this one, only one night, he want carry you. Only one night, he go boof you. You not just understand the way some girls, the way they behave. If they just see, especially the person you go for Europe like this, okay, they go come so that maybe they sit down for front. Don't forget, say, get wife for Europe. Don't forget. So now what una go they see? Now be this one of those public disgrace where this woman give you now. Now una go they see. Because now it do una body to all those guests. More than leave people husband, you go and look for your own. Una like this public disgrace. Is it get one way happen that they never tell? They never finish down another one don't come again. This 2020, so the one where women take come out this period more than fear oh. If una not take time. If una not take time, those side chick. If una not take time, what una go they see the those public disgrace where they give you now. Maybe tomorrow now you see better guy one marry you now go see your what you don't do for social media. Now shame now. Very big shame. You know, many of your friends go don't call you now. Say, I see you for YouTube. Now you can be public now. You don't be star now, happy. You don't popular now. The popular way you popular now, shame, my dear. You'll see the way people go, they laugh you now. Go and look for your own. Is that too much to ask? This woman say, no follow my husband again. Leave your husband alone. Hey, not force. I don't want me you follow my husband, not force. Don't be forced. So anywhere where you see you side chick, we don't want to leave your husband alone. All lamb. One lamb, make you leave your husband alone. And all those men, una own self, you do una body really. Wait till una they look for side chick body. What do they look for? If the side chick they carry long human hair, you want me your woman they carry. Hey, buy for them. If you buy for them, she go carry. But you know what buy for them. You prefer me you go to spend for side chick for outside. Because if you tell you now saying like he like that hair, now you tell her say no, you now beg you don't big pass all those where they carry all those kind of hair. Yeah. Now what is some of una they do? And what you go tell her? Maybe that one. If you like what the girl they wear, I see what the girl wear jeans, you can't wear open back. If you want to make your wife they wear a buy for her, she go to find for your high. Because before you go toast her for long, I believe in her love now reach there. Now make you even tell her say make he marry you. She can't upset say yes, him go marry you. So why be say una see like to carry chop amala and the way do for her side? The one way they would for us now, I mean, don't understand. Not be the only pot where the side chick get, now your wife get. Not be the same thing. I be the sweet passage shoulder by people. Not be the same thing. If you like, say now back you can't like oh, you want me your woman they give you, tell her she will give you. If now a side you want, tell her she go they give you. If now front oh, tell her she go they give you. But no. Una can go carry all those side chick, una go tell them that they give una back, they give una side, they give una front, they give una different style. Style where you not go want make your wife they give you, they tell the side chick make they give you. Tell her say if your wife tell you say you need that like that, you now people like una will be all those men go say, I be that they go outside. Where if you learn all those style. But una go the carry side chick, una go tell them say make they give una all those different style. What una want. Eh? You they look your wife for us like old woman. You carry all those side chick. You they pet them. They tell the game me they use now they rub your belly. Yeah, now what some of una they do all those men. Una really just do una body really because we don't really know what una they look for side chick body. Leave side chick alone. All those small girls, leave them alone. Focus to with your wife now. Me I don't understand now. What this side chick one can give you now? We go pass your wife phone now. What he want give you? Me not just really, I don't understand now really. Leave side chick alone. Focus on your wife. Me no know what una dey look for really. My people, I go pull the video more and see. Because really, I don't really know what una dey look for all those tight cheek body. What is the girl body now? Because it's clean. Who's clean help? Forget that thing. Who tell una say because your woman get body? Who tell you say woman will get body now? You know fit handle your husband for bed. Who tell una that one? Who tell una? If you want to make she slim, then tell am. Tell am before you come go dey carry slim girls for outside. Eh? I beg you. For me, I believe say na my own one cheat, na they cheat on the wife. Really? And all those women say for now self, you see do una body too. If you dey follow man, because I believe say you date this man before you marry him, and always they talk am. Because man, what you don't dey date, we be say if they go they see they carry girl for outside, we they date am. No believe say if you marry and say go stop. Men not they stop. They'll still continue for where they stop. Yeah, they'll continue for where they stop. So my people, more not just like our men, more not they behave with our wife really. My wife deserve love, respect. More not the respect woman want to put for us. Respect. Respect your wife. Because not the way you present your wife for us, and people go to respect her. Respect your wife. Let your wife be your pet. Pet your wife. We need petting. Not be say every time shouting all those things. No. Respect your wife. So that make your wife to respect you. I beg, men. I beg at the beg una. Because una own, it do una body. Really. You just do una body. So this video now, so when you're doing a reach, I know I'm long past this one. So thank you everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. Remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So thank you everybody. So anything what you think about this video, so you'll leave your comments for the comment section down below. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. God bless you. Bye everybody. Share this video for me. Make you reach those our sugar daddy. And
what do you think to my husband? What do you think you have? I don't have kids in my house. Respond to me and talk to me like an human being. With respect. Do you know how much I've suffered in my own?
Come and be going your own like
Let's come back here. Come back here. Please.
Leave her, madam, now. Leave her, do your own.
Please answer me. What do you think you
You
have?
will be going. Be going now.
I said you should ask. Please
You see
answer me.
yourself on
What do you
Instagram.
think you have?
Be going.
What
Get
do
there,
you
you see
think
yourself
you have?
on Instagram.
What do you think you have?
Posting there,
Answer me. You have anal sex with my husband.
okay.
A married woman like me. What do you think you have?
Be going.
Please answer me. What do you think you have? What do you think you have? What do you think you have? What do you think you have?
Hey, Jesus. You will not go. Go. Be going. Be going. Be running. Leave a letter for sure. Just madam, announce sex. Set on. Set on, gang. Come here, madam. Wow, no shame. Shameless girl. Shameless goat. Someone's husband, you need a shame. Announce sex. Announce sex like they give us the husband. Shameless. Shame on you. You should be ashamed of yourself. Shameless animal. Shame. Someone's husband. You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm so ashamed of you.